Amazon selling plans. Amazon offers both professional and individual selling plans. Professional selling plan. In the professional selling plan, you pay a non-refundable monthly subscription fee regardless of whether you list or sell anything. You don't pay a per item fee when an item sells. The professional selling plan gives you access to inventory tools to upload batch files and manage your orders through feeds and reports. These tools are beneficial to most medium to large-size businesses. Individual selling plan. The individual selling plan is for sellers who do not need access to inventory tools and reports for volume selling. Under the individual selling plan, you do not pay a monthly subscription fee. You pay a per item fee instead.